Error 403 in Google Chrome typically indicates that you don't have permission to access the requested URL on the server. Here's how you might resolve it. Refresh the page. Sometimes a 403 error might occur due to a temporary glitch. Simply refreshing the page might solve the issue. Clear browser cache and cookies. Cached files or cookies could be causing conflicts. Clearing them might resolve the error. Go to Chrome settings, navigate to privacy and security, then clear browsing data and choose cached images and files and cookies and other site data. Check URL. Ensure the URL you're trying to access is correct and doesn't contain any typos. Check permissions. If you're trying to access a restricted page, ensure you have the necessary permissions. Contact the website administrator if needed. Disable VPN or proxy. Sometimes VPNs or proxies might cause conflicts with the server's security settings. Try disabling them temporarily to see if that resolves the error. Contact website owner. If none of the above steps work, the issue might be on the website's end. Contact the website owner or administrator for assistance.